everyone, this is Dora Yarn 143. Today I'm going to introduce you a local famous barbecue restaurant along AS Fortuna Street in Mandaue City, Cebu, Philippines. Filipinos love to eat barbecue, and this street restaurant named Matias BBQ is very popular in Cebu. Pork or chicken meat or giblets skewered on sticks and cooked over a charcoal grill. Nestled under the shade of sweet star apple trees, this open-air eatery sells very affordable pork barbecue, chicken barbecue, chorizo, pork belly, barbacoa, and other local dishes. The secret to keep locals coming back is their delicious sweet red sauce and value for money dishes. The sauce is made up of ketchup, lime or vinegar, sugar, soy sauce, and maybe a secret ingredient. In addition, I'm going to teach you the way to eat by Filipinos. Most Cebuanos don't use the utensils and use their own hands instead of them as they eat. Especially rice is served by unique style. Puso rice wrapped in coconut leaves. You will find puso sold at nearly every barbecue stand. What makes puso so special among Cebuanos is the fact that you do not need utensils to eat it. Just hold and unwrap the puso and dig in. And it's covered by the leaves, so it's quite hygienic and convenient. It's also better to bring for a picnic. Eating barbecue in the open spacious area is a lot of fun. Please enjoy barbecue as you visit Cebu. Restaurant hours is Monday to Sunday, 11:30 am to p.m. Restaurant hours is Monday to Sunday, 11:30 am to p.m.